5 Best Laptop Docking Stations. Number 5. Kensington SD3500B. Universal USB 3.0 dock for laptops. 2 super speed USB 3.0 ports. 4 USB 2.0 ports for peripherals like a keyboard. External headphone and microphone jacks. Audio 2.0 for enhanced sound quality. Ultrabook or Surface Pro Tablet Ultra Productive. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Toshiba DynaDock. 1 simple USB 3.0 cable connection. Your laptop to all your accessories. HDMI out port built in for full 1080 HD video. .1 channel surround sound through HDMI. 6 USB ports. Connect 1 or 2 external displays. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Elgato Thunderbolt 2. 2 Thunderbolt 2 ports. Built-in Gigabit Ethernet. Connect everything to your MacBook. Enjoy increased network performance. High-power device support for iPad. Standalone USB charging. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Pluggable UD3900. USB 2.0 backwards compatibility. Not recommended for gaming. If dual displays are connected. All lower modes support 60 Hz refresh. We love our pluggable products. 1 year limited parts. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. StarDock TB3DK2 DPWA. Thunderbolt 3 Dual 4K Docking Station. Particular Thunderbolt 3 System. ViewSonic VX2475 SMHL 4K. Dual 4K Ultra HD. Thunderbolt 3 USB-C dock. Item weight, 15.5 ounces. Please check the description for detail and price.